Are you ready to save time by automatically importing calendar events into 7pace? This feature makes time tracking even more seamless and accurate. In addition, the integration reduces manual entry and potential errors, allowing you to concentrate on your tasks, not tracking them. Activating the calendar integration feature is easy. Click Settings, Calendar Integration, Add Google Calendar. Choose your account, review the links, and then click Continue. Then click the Allow button. That's it. Your calendar is now integrated into the 7pace Timetracker app. From the calendar integration page, you can use the slider to turn off the integration, or the checkboxes to indicate which calendar is visible in the 7pace app. Or, if you decide not to use the integration, click Unlink Account. Now that the integration is ready, go to Weekly View. Here, calendar events are visible. To track time for an event, point your mouse at the appropriate day and click the plus button next to the event. The Add Time window displays. Here, the From and To fields are automatically filled in, and the event title displays in the Comments section. Complete the work log and click Save. To summarize, 7pace Timetracker's calendar integration feature saves time by automatically importing calendar events and reduces the likelihood of time tracking errors due to manual entry.